Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Pitt. In today's video, we'll be making very simple Bubu dress you can achieve within 10 minutes. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now I'll be using this African fabric for this tutorial. The length of the dress is 50 inches. So I'll go ahead and measure out 50 inches from this fabric. Already I have 4 yards of fabric here. So I'll be cutting 50 times 2, that is 100 inches. Now this is 50 inches. I'll go ahead and cut it out. So after cutting it out, I'll go ahead and fold it into 2. Now for the width, I'm using 20 inches. It's a butterfly dress. So I'm using 20 inches for the width while the length is 50 inches. Now from this point, I turn it to the right side. This is the right side of the fabric because I'll be sewing from the right side. Okay, this is a Bubu butterfly dress. You know, we are top stitching, we are not sewing from the wrong side. So from the shoulder here, I'll go ahead and mark 11.5 inches here to be the armhole. This is where the armhole. Then from this point, now after folding it, I've already marked 11.5 as the armhole. Then from this point, remember the width is 20 inches. Okay, we are using 20 inches as the width. So what I will do now is, it has a wave by the 2 sides. So from this point, I will mark 5 inches to the down parts. I will be marking 5 inches down to the waistline. Now from the shoulder to the armhole, I will take 11 inches as the armhole. Now I'm using the fullest part of the body to take the measurement, which is the hip. The hips is 52 inches divided into 4 will give me 13 inches. I'll just add half an inch to it. I'll just add 1 inch to it. 13 plus 1, that is 14 inches. So I will mark 14 inches down to the hemline. So with my straight ruler, I'll go ahead and join the lines together. Okay, after joining it together, the next thing I'll do from this, I'll still extend the 14 inches to the shoulder because I'll be making a wave. This is the armhole side, so I'll still mark the 15 inches up. This is where our armhole starts. Now from this point, I'll just make a wave. I'll just come down by 3 inches. Just make a wave, how you want it. Now go ahead and cut out. So guys, you can see how it looks. So I'll be interlocking all the edges, including the down part and the neckline. This time around, we are not using any facing for it. We'll just be interlocking. Now for the neckline, neck depth, I'm using 6 inches. The same thing for the front, I'll be using for the back. Now I'm using 6 inches for my neck depth and 4 inches for the width. So I'll go ahead and cover a circle neckline. I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now the depth of the neckline is 6 inches while the width is 4 inches. So I'll go ahead and open it up for you to see. So you can see how it looks. So the same thing I mark at this point, I'll go ahead and repeat it at this point. Then I'll go to my sewing machine and top stitch. So guys, I've closed it up at the 2 edges and I went ahead to stone it. So we are done with the dress. The next thing is to take it to weaving machine to weave or interlock the neckline, the 2 sides and the downside as well. So I'm done with the clothes. You can see it's very simple. You can achieve this within 10 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.